Welcome to Easy Software. In this video, we are going to see sales receivable. Sales receivable indicates how much money still each customer has to pay to us, that amount for which bills and how many days have passed, totally how much balance should be given by each customer. To know these details in the bill-wise manner is known as sales receivable. To see this, first go to sales menu. In this, you can see sales receivable option. The shortcut of this option is Ctrl plus F3. By clicking this, the screen opens here. In this, you are able to see all customers or particular customer, and also you can see the balance of the customers in a particular place. Another is distribution agent. This fourth option is helpful to see the line-wise balance who are having such business method. Now let us click all customer and click view. Now it shows the customer wise sales receivable list. In this, the first place contains party name. Next column shows the total bill amount of the bill period of 30 days or less than that. Next contains 31 to 60 days of total bill amount. Next one is 61 to 90 days. And the next is 91 to 120 days. Next 121 to 150 days. And the next column shows the total amount of the bills which crosses above 151 days. Last column shows the final amount of that customer. This last column shows how much money the customer has to pay us. Here all customers total amount of the period of less than 30 days shows in the bottom of this column. In this way, each column's total appears in the bottom. Finally, we can see the grand total in the last column and last row. Now this screen shows you only the total amount of each customer. If you need to see what are all the bills are pending for each customer and how many days have passed for each bill in bill-wise details means, for example, if you want to see the details of this customer, select this customer and press enter key. Now a separate list opens for that customer details. In this, you can see that customer's bill date, bill number, that customer name, that customer's bill amount. If there is any sales written or amount received means it will show in the received amount column, and the balance amount of that bill shows in the balance amount column. How many days have passed after entering this bill details will be shown in the number of due days column. Whether we have typed any remarks in that bill, then it is shown in the remarks column. The last column is to know what type of bill it is. For instance, we have entered sales or service sales. To know whether it is sales bill or service sales bill, this last column will be useful for us. If you need to print these details, you have export Excel option and also print and export option. Now by clicking export Excel, the list we are seeing will export to Excel. Like this. The same way, if you need to print it in an A4 sheet, click print and export. It will show you in the printable format in A4 sheet. You can do the page alignment on your own. If you need to send this data in email or to convert it into a file, you can see here the option email as and export. In this, you have formats like PDF, Excel, HTML. So you can convert it in the format which you want and you can send it through mail, or you can save it as a file. For this details, you can do export Excel and print and export to convert in an A4 sheet. Now we have seen the details of all customers. If you want to see the details of a single customer, tick the particular customer option and type the customer name here. For example, Sri Sai Ram Chemical. Select this and click view. It will load the details of this particular customer. In this also, click this customer line and press enter key. You can see the pending bill details of that customer. Like this, by selecting a particular place, You are able to see the balance amount details in the bill-wise manner of the customers who are in that place. For that, select that particular place. For example, let us select the place E Road and click View. Now it shows the pending list of the customers in E Road. If you need to export Excel and print and export this list, you can do it and take the printout. So in this screen, we are able to see which customers still have to pay us for which bills and how many days have passed after entering the bill. The due date list information will be shown in this screen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in another video. Thank you.